सब्सक्राइब को अवश्य क्लिक करें। इसके बाद ये बेल के साइन को क्लिक करें। यहाँ इसको बॉक्स को क्लिक करने के बाद सेव करें ताकि आप नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस देखने के लिए। थैंक यू। On a table.
On a table.
On a table, not the.
On a table. A table. On a table. Okay. And he told me. He told them. He told one of them.
Don't use told. कोई काम.
He said. He said.
No said, no told. जब किसी को कोई काम करने के लिए कहना है तो आस्क बोलते हैं। आस्क मतलब पूछना भी होता है, कोई काम करने के लिए कहना।
He asked him to break that bundle. And so the younger son tried to break.
Not
break
younger, no younger. तो होते तो younger और elder होता।
one son.
3 brothers हैं तो youngest होगा, youngest, younger नहीं।
Youngest. So youngest son tried to break that bundle. And he tried a lot, but he couldn't that bundle.
Couldn't
break that bundle. Then that again the middle son next son also tried to break that bundle. But he also couldn't break.
I tell you today. Also. In negative sentences, we never use also.
Okay.
Positive, like you say, I like tea. Also and to have the same meaning.
Okay, yeah, to.
But also and to we use for affirmative sentences, not for negative. Like I like tea, you like tea too. Or you can say I like tea and you say I also like tea. It's okay. But if I say I don't like tea, you can't say I also don't like tea. It's absolutely wrong. It is wrong. Then what should we do? If it is wrong, we cannot use also or to with negative sentences. Now what should we do? क्या करें फिर? नहीं लगाएं उसमें। नेवर तो कभी नहीं होता है। हमें तो भी चाहिए, भी। हमें तो भी चाहिए, भी।
Same like yet and so far. It is also
हाँ,
like that.
तो अब इसमें क्या करोगे? चलिए मैं बताता हूँ। आपने कहा आई लाइक टी, आई लाइक टी। आपने कहा आई ऑल्सो लाइक टी, ये आपने बोला। ठीक। मैंने बोला आई लाइक टी, आपने बोला आई लाइक टी टू। लेकिन मैंने बोला आई डोंट लाइक टी। अब आपने भी बोलना मुझे भी पसंद नहीं है। आई डोंट लाइक टी, आपने बोला मुझे भी पसंद नहीं है। आपने बोलना है आई डोंट लाइक टी नीदर।
Neither. Okay.
ऑल्सो नहीं।
Neither.
यस। अब रिकॉर्डिंग अगर आपकी अपलोडिंग होती वहां पे, तो आप बार बार सुनते तो आप कैच करते और लोगों को भी फायदा होता और आपको भी होता कि आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग में आपने क्या बोला, मैंने क्या बोला, बार बार सुनते। you have to pay once but you can learn many times by it if it is uploaded. that is the advantage. एक छोटे से खतरे की वजह से आपने बहुत सारे एडवांटेज को कुएं में डाल दिया। वो भी कोई खतरा नहीं है, कोई देख लेगा। वो गाना हो गया ना, छोड़ो जी छोड़ो मेरी कलाई कोई देख लेगा, है ना?
Yeah.
कोई देख लेगा, कोई क्या कहेगा, ये बड़ा भारी रोग है इंडिया में। कोई क्या कहेगा, नहीं, ये इट्स अ डिसीज in India and it prevents people from doing their best. कि मैं क्या, कोई क्या कहेगा, वो क्या कहेगा, अरे उसको चूल्हे में जाने दो यार, let him go to hell. Why you should go to hell by worrying, ओ वो क्या कहेगा। It's a big disease and I cannot remove it or I cannot treat it. बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है, मुझे बड़ा कष्ट होता है when I see people say like this, वो क्या कहेगा, तो पड़ोस वाले शर्मा जी क्या कहेंगे, पड़ोस वाले गुप्ता जी क्या कहेंगे। नहीं, अरे वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम है, अगर वो कह रहे हैं तो वो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम थोड़ी है। नहीं
जी।
I taught my daughter all these things from her childhood, and when she was in class 3rd, and it means the beginning of the winter season, so she was wearing a sweater. She was in 3rd or 4th standard, as she were taught everything like this. So one of actually her colleague asked her or told her, मतलब कि अरे तुझे सर्दी लग रही है, तुझे सर्दी लग रही है। उसने कहा स्वेटर मैंने पहना है, तुझे क्यों गर्मी लग रही है। स्वेटर मैंने पहना है, तुझे क्यों गर्मी लग रही है। She learned all that from the beginning, how to deal with such people. यार जो मुझे करना है वो मैं करूँगा यार। अगर आप ये सोचोगे ना लोग क्या कहेंगे, तो यू कैन नॉट गो वेरी लॉन्ग। वो कहीं ना कहीं इट इज़ एन हिंडर, इट इज़ एन ऑब्स्टेकल फॉर यू, इट प्रिवेंट्स यू फ्रॉम गोइंग अहेड। तो बहुत बड़ी बीमारी है, ये समझ नहीं आती क्योंकि वी डोंट रियलाइज द इफेक्ट ऑफ इट। इट्स अ वेरी नेगेटिव characteristics in human beings, especially in Indians, because they think like that. If you just open your mind and think over it, शर्मा जी क्या कहेंगे, गुप्ता जी क्या कहेंगे, and if you think over it, you will realize that means how useless thing it is, and you are paying attention to it. क्योंकि हम सोचते नहीं है ना, करने लगते हैं, क्योंकि बचपन से यही सिखाया हमारे माँ बाप ने, और घर में भी बोलती थी हमारी माँ, अरे वो शर्मा जी क्या कहेंगे, तू ऐसा काम करेगा। तो वो हमारे क्या एक्चुअली आवर ड्रीम, द बैलून ऑफ आवर ड्रीम is very big in our childhood. The dream, the balloon of our dream is very big in our childhood, but it is punctured every day. It is punctured every day by negative things all around, and we don't realize that we are getting negative things, and they are stored in our brain automatically. And they always have an effect or a big impact in our life. And these are the very big problems for us. You see, that's why, the Dale is from America, Michael Dale. And he established a big company, Dale company, and you are using laptop, and I am using my desktop, Dell. And when he was 12-year old, he made that computer. Why? Because he was busy in what he liked. He never went to school, and he didn't want to go to school. But that time his parents didn't think that he was not going to school, what Mr. David will think. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
कि अरे तू स्कूल नहीं जाता यार, वो बगल वाले गुप्ता जी क्या सोचेंगे। अरे तू तो घर में ही बैठ के ये कंप्यूटर में ही माथा फोड़ता रहता है यार, कुछ पढ़ेगा लिखेगा भी कि नहीं। हमारे घर वाले ये बोलते कि दिन भर यार इस कंप्यूटर में माथा फोड़ता है, इससे क्या तेरी जिंदगी चलेगी, कुछ स्कूल जा, पढ़ लिख ले, इससे तेरी जिंदगी चलेगी क्या।
But they don't know he is doing something beyond from the college or.
Because our thinking is very narrow. Our culture is very great, of course, but we couldn't utilize that culture and all these, the things which we got from our ancestors. We couldn't utilize it. उसको हम यूटिलाइज कर ही नहीं पाए, क्योंकि हम इसी में पड़े रहते हैं कि वो क्या कर रहा है। अच्छा, शर्मा जी का लड़का वहां जाता है सब यार, क्यों जाता है यार। यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट शर्मा जी लड़का, यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन यू। शर्मा जी का लड़का कहाँ जाता है, इसका पता करो, क्योंकि उसका पता करने से आपकी जिंदगी बनेगी। आप भी पता लगा लोगे कि शर्मा जी का लड़का कहाँ जाता है तो आपकी जिंदगी बन जाएगी. This is the problem. This is the basic problem. And you can take many examples. You read that book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, from Robert T. Kiyosaki. He wrote that book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and he has written in his book that why should I go to school to study? Because he has made that book and he has compared his dad with other dad. That is that dad is in his imagination, and that's why he has written that book. And this is the world famous book and very popular book. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Garib Papa, Amir Papa. He has written that book, and if you read that book, you will come to know the reality of the life. And why, the people in India, they invest money, they don't invest money, they spend money. How? I tell you, a very big difference, because I have learned all these things from my students. I have got students from many countries, and I always, of course, I teach them English, but I try to learn a lot of things from them. That is their culture. In India, people like to buy a big car because they want to show.
Yeah.
They want to show off.
Yeah. So.
एंडीवर में घूमता हूँ, एंडीवर. फॉर्च्यूनर में घूमता, फॉर्च्यूनर में.
Yeah, right.
Because that is their thinking. That is their very, very narrow thinking. And why they follow it? Because their parents did it. And their parents have been doing the same thing, and that's why they follow their parents. This is the problem. They they are not investing, they are spending. When you buy a big car for 20 lakhs, that is your expenditure, because now you have taken liability. That is not your investment. Investment, when you invest your money and you start earning from it, that is investment. But it is your liability. You have taken a liability, and when you buy that expensive car, then a luxury car, that means car. I have got Nano. Twist.
Yeah.
I can buy a big car, but why should I buy? Nano is the best car in its segment. I know, because I have been using Nano for 5 years and I have changed 3 Nanos. But I prefer Nano, and I cover very long distances with it. 500, 600, 800 kilometers in a day.
Okay.
Technically, it is very good car, but people don't know, and they think, why should, if they go by Nano, people won't respect them. It is,
and people actually judge by the cost also. Cost. They judge by the cost also.
But one thing, I tell you, and it is very important thing. If you follow this, you will be a great man in your life, and you will be the king. And what is it? What you have or what you do, you should be proud of it.
Yes.
And you won't believe, whenever I drive my Nano, people salute me and respect me. You know why? When they come and discuss with me about Nano, and they are of course having EcoSport and some other Innova, And when they start talking to me, I just actually what I should say. I just make them feel that their car is inferior before my car.
Yeah.
Really, मैं उनको ऐसा बना देता हूँ, वो सोचते हैं हाँ यार तुम सही कह रहे हो, हमने बेकार ली है. Really, why? Because I am proud of my car.
Yeah.
मैं ये नहीं कि आई फील इन्फीरियरिटी, हाँ यार मैंने नैनो ले ली. Because by my logics, I make them realize that they were wrong to buy that much costly car. And they agree finally. So what it means, it is your quality. How you make people agree with you. It is up to you. Either you agree with the people or you make people agree with you. It's your choice. You order people or you want to be ordered. It's your choice. You want a boss or you want to be a boss. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, I'm getting. Yeah.
You want your boss or you want to be a boss. It's your choice. So it's a very, very small thing, and that people don't understand. But you know that video is being recorded. And if that video is uploaded to YouTube, how beautiful it would be for the people to understand. Because I can speak whatever I am speaking here, that is coming out from my heart.
Yeah.
I cannot be in the same mood to speak the same later. Are you getting my point? Of course, I can do one thing. If you want that video to be uploaded by hiding your face, I can do that. Means I can cut your picture here.
Actually, the problem is not like that I am doing something or someone is watching me or like that. I want to show up only. That's my point. I don't want to show off myself. That's my point only.
So
And
I'll actually edit your picture.
yeah, that's my opinion. Nothing all about
No,
that.
no. Is there any problem if I edit your picture?
No problem. That's great.
Yeah, I'll remove you from the
Yeah.
video. Only voice would be there.
Yeah, it would be okay. Fine. Fantastic.
You won't be there. Only I'll be there and the voice, the discussion,
Yeah.
would be there.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So, well, I am a teacher. It's my, nature, or you can say it's my nature actually. If it's a teacher and it's really a good teacher, not good teacher or bad teacher, I must say, but teacher is teacher. And if it's a teacher, not fake teacher, I am not talking about fake teacher. So, of course, but they are not teacher. I should not address them as teacher. They are people. They actually impose to be what I should say means they pretend to be a teacher, but they are not teachers actually. So they always try their student to be a good human being. Because if you become a good human being, definitely you are going to teach the same thing to others, and they will teach others, and that it would be a chain like that. And when it would be a big chain, and then lot of people would be teaching lot of people later after some time, and the whole country would be teaching the people, a big group of people, and then our country would be, I think, the better than any other country. But it has to be done from the beginning, because we cannot bring changes to the society or to the country in a day. It takes time, it will take time, and the people, they have to take initiatives.
Hmm.
But who will take the responsibility? I don't know, because actually I don't focus on results. I don't know the result of what I am doing. But I know one thing, I have to do the things continuously, whatever may be the result. I don't think of it. If you have started learning English, you may take time, or when you will be fluent, if you make a target that uh, you will have to be fluent, very fluent by the end of this month or by the end of this week. Don't make your targets like this in your life, because I know one thing, and I have learned these things from very great people. Even our Prime Minister says that don't focus on your target, focus on what you have to do today.
Present.
Do it. When you focus on target, you are disturbed. If you don't, when you calculate, oh, I have got that much today, it means I won't be able to reach my target within that much time, then you start thinking in that way, and you get disturbed. Keep doing the things, leave everything to that Almighty. If you believe in that Almighty, I tell you one thing, it's very important. Actually, light has gone off,
Okay.
so my AC is off. Okay, I tell you one thing, life is just like a cricket match.
Hmm.
Life is just like a cricket match, and you are a batsman, and you are batting.
Hmm.
And life is throwing ball to you. And the best thing about that game is that there is no fielder to catch you. There is no fielder, only you are batting and life is throwing ball. When life throws a ball, you comes forward and you try to hit that ball, and you miss the ball. People around you, they may think you are a failure person. You couldn't hit that ball. Life throws that second ball to you, you miss it again. Now you get disappointed that you have already missed two of the balls from the life. Now the third ball, you miss it again. Fourth ball, you miss it again. Fifth ball, you come forward and you hit it hard and it goes out of the boundary. It is six. Now the people, they think, oh, very great, you are successful finally. And now you are very happy because you were able to hit that six. And now, as you have already hit that six, now you are means very happy, or you can say your joy knew no bounds. And you forget, because means you are very much happy, that much happy that you forget that you have to face next ball of the life. So what I mean to say, don't get very much excited when you get something in your life, or don't get disappointed when you lose something in your life. Because if you lose something in your life, life never comes to an end. It is still very long, it is ahead. Still you have got lot of things to get. Similarly, if you have got something, don't be very much happy for that. Be happy, enjoy it, but don't forget that this is not the end of the life. Similarly, when you lose something, you should have that spirit that this is not the end of the life. Similarly, you should have the same spirit when you get something. This is not the end of the life, so you are making merry or you are enjoying. Enjoy it. Enjoy each and every moment of your life. It is a balance of everything. Sorrows, happiness, everything. Just enjoy it and keep doing your job, that's all, and leave it to God. तू जान तेरा काम जान. I am doing my job. I am enjoying my life. I am doing my job. I am doing my duties. What I am going to have, it's your choice. But remember one thing, always follow the truth. Always support the truth. And whatever you do, devote it to that Almighty. If you believe in God, जो करो भगवान को समर्पित कर दो. सच्चाई का साथ दो और सच रहो, हमेशा सत्य बोलो, सत्य का साथ दो. Then that God will be with you always. कोई काम रुक नहीं सकता बॉस.
Are you following spiritual thing?
I don't know what I am following. I don't know what I am following, but I know one thing very, very clearly. This is the actual path of the life. Follow the truth, support the truth, do good, be good. and you will see that you won't be controlled by God. You won't be controlled by God. You will control the God. What I mean to say, you cannot be the God. कहते हैं ना, इसका हिंदी में ये है कि भगवान के वश में भक्त नहीं होता, भक्त के वश में भगवान होती है। कहने का मेरा तात्पर्य ये, इट मीन्स इट इज विद यू।
Truth and love and pure attraction like that.
सच्चाई होना चाहिए बस। जिस दिन ये आ गया आपके अंदर, सच्चाई आ गई यहाँ कि सोमवीर भी उसी की संतान है, जिस दिन मेरे मन में ये भावना आ गई कि सोमवीर भी उसी की संतान है, अगर मैं इसको कुछ दूंगा तो ये उसी की संतान है और वो खुश होगा। जब मेरे अंदर ये भावना आएगी तो वो मेरे साथ हो जाएगा। He'll be with me because he knows that I am helping his son. Then I am actually cooperating him to perform his duties. उसके काम में हाथ बटा रहा हूँ। वो भी तो यही कर रहा है। He is helping all. He is blessing all. He is giving you everything. He has given us everything, trees, that nature and everything. What he is taken from you? Nothing. He is just giving you. Sun is giving you light. What he is taking from you? Nothing. Trees, they are giving you everything. What they are taking from you? Nothing. वो तो कुछ नहीं मांगते आपसे, उल्टा आप काट देते हो तो भी बेचारे कुछ नहीं बोलते। What they are taking from you? Nothing. They are only giving you. This is nature. And why shouldn't we learn all these things from nature? They are giving, taking nothing. It means if you start giving, you will become a God. Don't you think? Or you don't become a God, at least you are much closer to the God. And when you are much closer to the God, God is your friend. And when He is your friend, if you won't have any problem then. You don't have to say, oh God, I am in that trouble, please help me. You don't have to say, or you don't have to ask God to help you, because you will never be in trouble. Because everybody will salute you. Everybody would want to be your friend. You will have a glow on your face. People will love you. People will want to talk to you because you are giving them. You don't expect to take anything from them. Right?
Right. Yeah.
तो सब अच्छा ही अच्छा हो, अपने आप को automatic. I don't know whether you followed me or not, but whatever I told you, that was from my heart, or that was from the core of my heart, and I follow that. It's my nature to follow that. I always follow truth. सच बोलता हूँ, चाहे कोई हो, even He may be the prime minister before me. I follow. That is the very deep things that I don't want to discuss. And that's why, every Saturday I go to Shanidev.
Okay.
And I have been going there for 8 years, every Saturday. And that temple is very old temple and very ancient temple, and it is 30 kilometers from my city.
In another city. In another city.
Not another city, it's a village nearby.
Okay. Okay.
So the people from all over the country go there. And Shani, if you know about Shani planet, it's a science. It's not, superstition. It's a science. If you learn about that planet, Shani, Saturn, you come to know he is, he follows justice. He is the god of justice, you can say. न्याय के देवता है शनि देव. And that's why people are afraid. Oh, 7.5 ही चल रही तेरी, अब तो तू मर. And people face problems. When they have 7.5, they face problems. आप पूछ लो, हिस्ट्री उठा के देख लो. किसी की टांग टूट जाएगी, किसी का बिजनेस बंद हो जाएगा, किसी का कुछ हो जाएगा, किसी का. इट्स फैक्ट. 7.5 भी होती, ढैया भी होती है 2.5 साल के लिए. बट शनि इज अ सेंसफुल प्लेनेट. It is a senseful planet. It gives you the results of your deed. If you have done something wrong, you will be punished. If you have done something good, you will be rewarded for that. 7.5 में बुरा ही होगा. बुरा इसलिए होता है कि लोग बुरा करते हैं अपनी जिंदगी में. Everything wrong they do in their life. उसकी जमीन दबा ली, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी खा ली, गरीब आदमी को पीट दिया. Even when a poor vegetable vendor comes to you, आप उससे you bargain. आलू क्या है?
And you bargain for the 5 or 10 rupees only.
तो वो बोला 50 रुपए किलो है बाबूजी आलू. अबे 50 का आता है, 40 का ले, 40 पकड़ चल. What is this? Shani is not going to be happy with you. आपने कुछ बुरा नहीं किया. आप सोचो मैं क्या बुरा करता हूँ, कुछ बुरा नहीं करता मैं अपनी जिंदगी में. But you have done something wrong because he is a poor man and you did something wrong with him. That 10 rupees is a big amount for that person. आप 55 देते हो क्या कभी? 50 बोले तो. When you go to a showroom to buy branded jeans, उससे कहते हो यार 2000 की जीन्स यार 1800 ले ले यार.
I don't get it.
Then what do you wear?
And cotton cloth and like, but for actually the thing there's a difference in poor people and showroom people actually. That's a different. So sometimes they charge too much for that. That we know everyone, and but I think
vegetable vendor.
Yeah. No, they don't too much charge. How can they charge like 5, 10, 15, 20 rupees? So we can give them all that. But I'm talking about that showroom people and like that. So sometimes they charge too much. So uh, we can get like thug from them also. So
But whatever it is, very small few things
mm,
are very important in our life, and all these
mm,
comes in bad deed or good deed.
yeah.
But people don't think like this. यार किसी के भी 10 रुपए है ना, 10 रुपए भी दो, ले यार
Mm-hmm.
मस्त रह तू.
Yes.
He should be happy. If your vegetable vendor, if your milkman, if your
Mm.
servant, or the people who actually works for you, or the people who work for
Mm.
you, if they are happy with you, then you are successful. If they are not happy with you, your subordinate, suppose when you are going to start a business like that, paying is, definitely you are going to engage staffs for you. And when you have
Mm.
staff like the cook, you are going to engage the people who will cook food, some
Okay.
of the people who will clean rooms and all.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you will have staff with you. So always try to make them happy. If they are
Mm.
happy with you, they will never leave you, because they are not working here for the money. Of course, in the beginning, they have come here or they come to you for money, but if you win their heart, they will stay with you forever.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
वो कहेंगे साहब आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाएंगे हम, वो कभी
Mm.
नहीं जाएंगे आपको छोड़ के. तो लोगों को अपना बनाना सीखो.
Mm.
अगर ये सीख लिया तो आप तो फिर राष्ट्रपति भी बन जाओगे. और केवल पैसा बनाना सीखा तो कुछ नहीं बन पाओगे.
Yeah, right.
That is the fact. So that's why the people, they focus on making money.
Okay.
They don't focus to transform themselves into a good human being. If you can become a good human being, that is the best thing in your life. If you can
Mm.
make yourself a good human being, you can reach at the top, and that you want. Money will come to you automatically. Serve the people first. And when you start serving people, money will come to you. But if you focus on making money, in the beginning you may make some money, but later it will go away from you.
Mm.
सर्व पीपल, लोगों की सेवा करो यार. सेवा करोगे तो धन अपने आप आएगा, करोगे सेवा तो मिलेगी मेवा.
Mm.
Learning is important, earning is not important. If you learn every day something or other, you will have more earning later. But if you focus on earning, no learning, you will finish everything later.
Right.
Learning is important, learning in all fields, learning to be a good man, learning the humanity, learning the moral values,
Mm.
learning how to make people happy. If they are happy, they will make you happy. If your neighbor is not happy, you can never be happy for a long time. If your neighbor's house has set on fire and you are clapping and getting happy, oh, his house has been set on fire, his house is burning. What I have to do with it? It's not my business. You are wrong.
Yes.
You are absolutely wrong. Okay.
उसका नाम कंट्रोरा विजन है जो स्पेक्ट रिमूव कराने